Hey guys, what is going on? It's your boy Corey here from Ecom Street. Yes, we know it has been a really long time since we've been on camera talking, doing these videos like this, but we are back and there is a reason behind it. And so basically Anthony is going to explain in more depth what happened with our whole Instagram page and how we actually lost it and got taken down for no reason, and we tried getting it back and all the whole story of that and how long it really took. He's going to explain, but this video is mainly just to say welcome back. We are here and we hope you're excited.
Guys, what is going on? It's been a while for me too as well. It's been a while for everybody. We just want to explain briefly what happened, and basically, we grew our page to about like 6K followers on Instagram, and we're pretty excited about that. Our community was growing. A lot of you guys are really engaged with it, and we just want to say a quick thanks to everyone that was a part of our community before, and now our new Ecom Street page that we just put up. So we were posting stuff daily. We posted about 5 to 6 pieces of content daily, and then randomly one day Instagram deleted our whole page for no reason, and they just said it was deleted. So we contacted them, and then eventually they responded back to us saying they deleted the page by mistake. So then we got reactivated, and then literally within a week or two it got deleted again for absolutely no reason, and we filed the same claims, the same support tickets multiple times, and we just couldn't recover the page, and unfortunately we had to start from fresh here. So that's why we're making this video, guys, just to give you a quick update. And if you guys want to go ahead and follow that page, it's literally just the same thing, Ecom Street, but with official in front of it. So at Ecom Street Official, give it a follow. We're going to be posting the exact same things that we did before, and everything's going to be in our bio in the description, so you guys can check that out. And we're very excited again, guys. Our community is awesome. Like, you guys are really amazing. Like, I think we're pretty much the biggest engaged e-com community there is right now, or we were before at least. But obviously, once we get our whole community back, we will be. But yeah, so just a quick thanks to you guys again, and we'll see you guys very soon.